The two-day conference comes as Africa continues to fall behind in the global COVID-19 vaccination drive currently underway, with just 1 in more than 500 people on the continent having been vaccinated against the deadly disease, as opposed to 1 in 4 people in developed nations having received the first jab of a vaccine. This is why Africa's leaders believe something needs to be done.
Vaccine equity cannot be guaranteed by goodwill alone, as we have seen many examples to convince all of us. Africa needs to expand production capacity for vaccines and other essential medical products. In line with our agenda of increasing domestic health financing, it is important for Africa to forge strategic public-private partnerships for vaccine manufacturing on our continent.
In line with this, Rwanda's president has taken action to make it happen.
In the past few weeks and maybe months, I had the opportunity to initiate contacts with different manufacturers of vaccines, specifically focusing on the messenger RNA technique used, say, by Moderna and Pfizer. And we have been involved in the discussions, and I have briefed a few colleagues on our continent, but we want to take this forward by discussing it with others, where there is a company that is capable of this technique, just as Moderna and Pfizer have been doing, that is ready and willing, and we have been having these discussions. I will brief those responsible very soon. Sorry that I had not done that before we had this discussion. But the whole idea is now how we can also have this type of capability on our continent, which really complements other ways, like the adenovirus method, vaccines used by Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, and also South Africa, in Aspen, they have that capability.
The Rwandan Head of State also gave assurances that his country would continue to play its part when it comes to promoting health on the African continent, and urged other countries to speed up the creation of the Africa Medicines Agency. This virtual conference on expanding Africa's vaccine manufacturing capabilities was organized by the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and is chaired by President Felix Tshisekedi of the DRC, the current chairman of the African Union. It features different other dignitaries that include the presidents of South Africa and Senegal, the Director General of the World Health Organization, the chairperson of the African Union Commission, and others.